Hello everyone, today you have joined the DT Creative Elk YouTube channel. How to check SSD or HDD. Read and write speeds in Windows. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. This means how quickly files can be transferred to and from it. So to get started, we need to go and open this PC. And you need to go and know the drive letter for the drive you want to do it with. This case is volume. You see it just after the drive. This is D. So now we need to go and open up command prompt so you can press search at the bottom. Right-click on it and press run as administrator. Get a window screen pop. You need to agree to now type in WinSat one word, space, disk space, drive space, and then the letter mine was D. And then we can press enter, and it's going to run. Now, we can come down to the read and write speeds, and there they are. That's simple. If you found this guide useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video.